please shoot up. You could unmute and ask now if there's any question, please.
Hi,
Nora.
Hi,
Yeah.
Yeah, if it's okay, can we scroll to the first example of the DMD1?
Sure can. First example of the MD1. Okay.
Sorry, I think the second one. Sorry, second one. Second slide.
Oh, second.
Yes, I have the same
Yeah.
question.
Yeah, can I ask, right? Why is this DMD1 when there's a green candle and red candle? This is not engulfing, is it? On the DMD, so there's
It's
a green.
kind of engulfing, but my mentor said it should be up and down. This one also engulfing, but they are next to each other. He said that as long as one up and one down, it's considered an double Mariposa.
So it's a two candle that is not side by side. Okay, got it. Understand.
Not side by side, they are up and down, up and down.
Thank you.
Yeah. Welcome.
So yeah, my question is actually the double Marbuzu. Is it necessary? I mean, is the wig necessary? It always
what
has
is
a
it?
wig. The double Marbuzu has a wig, so is that always necessary?
Okay. For example, we have a big, that one I have to show you in the third direction. That's the answer. Because the question is in the third direction. I will answer you in the third direction.
Nora?
Yes, saya.
If you take the trade, and then where do you take your profit? So it depends on your preference, or there's a, for example, you take profit on the next Maru.
Yes. That this one also. This one also I will show you the actually your question is will be answered in the third direction. I'm going to show you later.
All
Everything is
right.
in the third direction. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What if engulfing comes in after the zone, a little bit above the zone?
Little bit above the zone. It's
Yes.
okay as long as there's setup,
Okay.
confirmation, rejection, setup, confirmation. Because we cannot be the first guy, we cannot be the first person who are selling this because we don't know does this price going to react or not. What our duty is wait for rejection and setups, and then yeah, we go with it.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay.
Last question before you go for a break, yeah? Last question. All right, I think I will read some checkbox question first. So teacher, there's a checkbox in the question says that double Maru don't have to be both red or both green candle. I think teacher, I can answer this. Double Maru, you have to be both green and both red candle. That is called double Maru. It's a Maru Bozu.
Then in this example, the double Maru is in a little bit lower time frame, because in this higher time frame there is a green and the red.
This is a DMD2. Is this DMD2 or DMD1, teacher, you're doing right now?
DMD1.
DMD1 double. Okay. What's your question?
This one. Oh yeah, DMD1.
Yeah. So our question about this one is that it's not same color candles together. Is one up and one down. Right?
Yes, yes. It's not about color because maybe your broker got the same color, because the color doesn't matter as long as one up and one down. Yeah.
No, but in the beginning you said that double Malu needs to be two up candle and two down candle.
Yeah, one up and down. It's called double. Double means two. One up and one down. You see? Where is?
I think one up, one down means one
Yeah.
on the other side
One
and
down. One up and
Oh,
down.
you're not thinking about the direction of the candles. You are talking. You're not talking
Double
about the
Mario
colors of
is
the
the
can.
higher.
Of the
No,
canvas.
I'm not talking about the colors. Colors doesn't matter. As long
Oh,
as
okay,
one
okay,
up and one down is enough. Okay?
okay. I get it now.
Okay.
All right, thank you so much for all the questions. We're going to take for a 10 minutes break. Right now it's 11:31. Let me check my time. Let me check. It's 11:31 a.m. in Malaysia time. Whatever time zone you are in right now, please come back at 11:41 a.m. 11:41 a.m. Malaysian time. Okay, Malaysian time. So 10 minutes, I see you in 10 minutes time, yeah? Have a break, come back in 10 minutes. We're gonna resume sharp, yeah? We're gonna resume sharp. I'm not gonna wait already. I will ask teacher just start at 11:41 a.m. Thank you. Have a break of 10 minutes. Teacher rehat dulu ya. Nanti teacher baru masuk ya.
Okay, saya stop share.
Ya, betul. See you in 10 minutes time.
Hello, Kak Nora.
Hello.
Hi, sorry to disturb you. Just one quick question. So
Mhm.
basically, you will look at from a smaller time frame from 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and then you look at the higher time frame, is it, for confirmation?
Yeah, for the direction, yeah.
Okay. Okay then, thank you.
Welcome.
Teacher, you may resume the class now, teacher.
Okay. Kenapa senyap je?
Sebab
All right. So
tadi saya bagi tanda, so admin hilang ya, teacher.
okay, so I'm going to start now. Oh, I was on mute before, right?
I don't know, teacher.
I was singing just now. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Oh, sorry, I didn't. Where's the share screen? I'm getting better with Zoom right now.
Yes, you are, teacher.
Okay, so guys, can't you see my my screen now? Okay, so yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. All right, so the next one, the next direction I'm going to show you is setup inside setup direction. We don't need the double Mariposa candle anymore. Okay, this one is setup inside setup direction. This is the third direction. Okay, how it looks like. Any kind of setup. For example, we have daily QM. Okay, we have QMR in daily. And then, sometimes, I also feel afraid to entry in the daily QM, so you know what I do? I go to the lower time frame and look for another rejection and another setups. Okay, but you have to make sure that this QM, the small QM and the smaller time frame, the heat of the QM is in the same line of the QM left shoulder. We're supposed to entry in the same line with the left shoulder, and then make sure in the lower time frame, this head of the QM touch the zone. Okay, sometimes it occurs in the same time frame, and sometimes it occurs in the same time frame, but usually it occurs in different time frame, direction in the higher time frame and setups in the lower time frame. Okay, I give you an example here. This occurs in the same time frame. Okay, this is QM. Actually, the head of this QM got double marbles, I think. I forgot, but got direction. It got direction, the head of the QM, and then price make QM. All right, make QM. So I entry here, and then what happened? Price make another QM, and I found out that this head of the QM is in the same line with left shoulder. So I entry another one. Okay, so we have two directions. First, we have the first direction, the head of the QM, this big QM, and then this is setup inside setup direction. This head is in the same line with this QM. Okay, press came back and continue fall. All right, another example we have here. Yes, this one is during my compounding. Okay, what you see here, we see QMM in the lower, in the H1. Okay, I think better I go to the chart here. Okay, it's in here. So better I color it pink. The direction is pink. Okay, what I see here is QMM. All right. High, low, high, high, low, low. And then price make rally, base rally, and then price came back. And before that, you know the formula of QMM, the higher time frame must be bullish engulfing if QMM buy. Okay, the higher time frame must be bullish engulfing. If you want to entry directly, it's up to you, you can, but here I found more confidence because, okay, because I saw something here. Let me show you. Let's go to the lower time frame. Do you see something here in the lower time frame? No, I also see nothing here. And let's go in M5. Yes, I found QM here. And also I found, actually, this is QMC. Okay, price make rejection, 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 and then price make QMC. We have club in the M15, M30 also we have club. Okay, and then price continue, fly. The same like this. Price continue fly. We have QMC here. Okay, you understand? Okay, make sure it's in the same line of the direction, setup inside setup. Okay, and here also we have, this is QM in H4. You want to full margin here, you might have heart attack. Okay, you might have heart attack. So this one is H4 gold. Okay, and then you go to the lower time frame. What you see here, we saw another mini QM. I call it mini QM in the lower time frame in M5. Low, high, low, low, high, high. Price came back, and then we can full margin. We can put bigger lot here. Okay, because we found another setup. It means that the price sure really want to fly. Okay, and here also, this one is gold also, H4QMR. Okay, high, low, higher, high, lower, low. So if guy afraid, you go to the lower time frame and you saw M30 QM. Okay, make sure that this QM is in the same line, the hit is in the same line with this left shoulder. Okay, the SOP is same, but the direction is different. Okay, so you guys understand so far?
Yes, ma'am.
Change to low time frame to find setup for sharper entry. Yeah, I don't call it sharper entry, but for big lot entry, full margin entry. Yeah. This is called a get rich fast entry. Okay. So next, I hope you understand. Okay. And also, I'm going to answer some of the questions you asked me before. Okay, I'm going to take the first one first. Someone asked me that how the price have changed many times. It means that the price, okay, wait, like here, we have QMM, and then you can see the price has test many times. And also, I want to show you how big trader manipulate you guys if you know direction. Okay, as you can see here, this is also a QM. Okay, this is also a QM. Okay, this is also QM. We have high, low, higher, high, low, low, high, low, low, higher, high. Okay, but the price exceed this entry for almost 30 pips. Guys, you get heart attack like this. And then you start cursing me. Oh, by strategy, you have to buy because we got direction and we got rejection. We have set up QM here, but why price do this to me? Okay, so now my answer is, now look for the confirmation, or we call it engulfing candle. Do you find any engulfing candle in M15? No. M30? No. There's no engulfing candle. But here, price playing around with you and make another one, setups, but this time with confirmation. They give you engulfing candle. They also give you confluence, or we call it QMC. Okay, and then the price continue fly. So you guys understand, engulfing candle actually it's important also. Okay, or if the price doesn't make engulfing candle, you have to make sure that the price break the structure. Okay, but mostly I prefer the engulfing candle. Okay, so far you understand?